Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing energy drink. This is Monster. It is the original flavor. So this comes in a 24 pack. My son absolutely loves this drink. I drink it occasionally. It comes in different flavors. It can come with 0 sugar. This is the original, so there is sugar in this. It has 160 megagrams of caffeine in it. So this, they usually recommend to have 1 can a day, but it packs a bang. So athletes use this if you're traveling, anything. Usually if you want to go to work and you just want something instead of coffee, this is something that's nice. It is so flavorful and easy to drink. So it's hard to just have one, but it packs a punch and you only need one. It is so delicious. I can't even describe the flavor. It is just this fruity, smooth, delicious drink. You don't even feel like you are drinking caffeine. It is just such a great thing to have on hand when you are tired. That's just my point of view.